In this video, I'll show you how I create depth and realism in my paintings using a limited palette, and how carefully controlling tonal values can completely transform a painting. Hi, I'm Marie, and I painted these sunflower leaves using just 3 colours: yellow, blue and red. 2 different blues, 2 different yellows and a red. From these colours, I was able to mix an incredible range of greens, from the freshest, light-catching greens right through to the deepest, almost black shadows. The brightest greens belong to the leaves catching the sunlight, while the darkest greens help push the leaves at the back of the plant into shadow, creating a real sense of depth. Because every green is mixed from the same colours, there's a natural harmony running throughout the painting, even though the greens vary enormously in colour and value. They all belong together, making the finished painting feel both realistic and pleasing to the eye. If you want to improve the depth, light and realism in your watercolours, you can download my free guide, 5 Mistakes Artists Make. The link is just below this video. And just a few simple adjustments can really make the difference to your finished image. In this small area, you can see that I'm merging my different green hues seamlessly into each other, creating a lovely blend of my lights and darks with their varying tonal values. And where my darkest green comes up against the lightest, this gives me the opportunity to really capitalise on creating this illusion of depth. For the darkest areas on my painting, I add indigo to my green mix. This is my second blue, and I also add a touch more red so that my green doesn't become too blue leaning. The red helps to balance the mix and allows me to make a really dark colour, almost a black green. And I use this to paint in the darker leaves that are found in the background and are in shadow. This clearly illustrates how far back they are sitting in relation to the light leaves at the front of the painting. There is a harmony to the overall image that wouldn't be there if I introduced a different colour to create the very dark shadow colour. And then for my lightest areas, I simply leave out the indigo and add more of lemon yellow, therefore keeping these leaves towards the front much lighter and brighter, but they're still in harmony with the darkest areas. There is a full tutorial of these sunflower leaves inside the Watercolour Members Club, my online school, where you will get step-by-step instructions of how to achieve this depth in your painting. If you'd like to be kept up to date with more tips and technique videos, you can subscribe to my channel for plenty more helpful tips with your painting. So just sit back now and watch the rest of the sunflower leaves come to life. Thanks for watching and have a great day.